How to reset Hume Band and how to charge Hume Band wrench simple guide high voltage. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to charge your Hume Band and how to perform a reset if your device is acting up or freezing. Keeping your emotional AI wearable powered up and glitch-free is essential for getting accurate daily insights. So I am going to show you the quickest and safest ways to handle these basic maintenance tasks. First, let us talk about how to charge your Hume Band. Because the band is designed to be sleek and water-resistant, it does not have a traditional plug-in port. Instead, it uses a proprietary magnetic charging cradle. Step 1. Take your Hume Band charging cable and plug the USB-C end into a certified power adapter or a high-quality USB port on your computer. I recommend using a standard 5-volt wall charger for the most stable power flow. Step 2. Look at the back of your Hume Band. You will see several small gold-colored contact points. Align these points with the matching pins on the magnetic charging cradle. You will feel the magnets pull the band into the correct position. Step 3. Once connected, look at the screen. You should see a charging icon or a percentage indicator appear. If you do not see this, try wiggling the band slightly to ensure the pins have a solid connection. A full charge from 0 to 100% typically takes about 60 to 90 minutes. Now, if your band is not responding or if the screen is frozen, you might need to perform a reset. There are two ways to do this: a soft reset and a factory reset. Step 4. To perform a soft reset, which is essentially just a restart, press and hold the side button on your Hume Band for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Continue holding until the screen goes dark and the Hume logo reappears. This will not delete your data, it simply reboots the operating system and clears out any temporary software hangs. Step 5. If you need to perform a factory reset because you are giving the band to someone else or the soft reset did not fix a persistent issue, you must use the Hume app on your smartphone. Open the app, go to your profile, select your device settings and tap on Factory Reset. Keep in mind that this will wipe all local data and unpair the device from your account. Now here is your pro tip for long-term device health. Over time, skin oils and sweat can build up on those small gold charging pins on the back of the band. If you find your band is charging slowly or the connection feels finicky, take a cotton swab with a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the contact points on both the band and the charger. Doing this once a month ensures a perfect connection every time you dock it. To recap what we have covered today, always use the magnetic cradle for charging and ensure the pins are clean. Use the long press button method for a quick restart if the screen freezes, and use the app for a full factory reset if you need to start fresh. If this guide helped you get your Hume Band back in action, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and wearable reviews. If you have any questions about your device or if you are running into a specific error code, drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.